Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use cryptocurrency plugin on your WordPress website. So first of all, let's know what is cryptocurrency plugin. This is a plugin to display crypto coins current price, price tickers, changes, market cap, volume, coin charts, and real-time update of Bitcoins, Ripple coins, Little coins, and many more coins. Now you can display crypto widget anywhere using a simple shortcode on your WordPress website. By using this plugin, you can create these kind of attractive charts for cryptocurrency on your WordPress website. These are some of the demos of this plugin. So let's now see how to download and install this plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Under plugins, click on add new. Now in the search bar, search for cryptocurrency. Now here you can see cryptocurrency widgets by Cool plugin. Click on install now. Once the installation is completed, click on activate. Once the plugin is successfully activated, you can see cryptocurrency plugin over here. Now go to pages, all pages, click on edit. Now click on edit with Elementor button. Now in the search bar, search for cryptocurrency and drag and drop this widget on the page. So this is the default format. Here you can see the widget type and here you can select the coins like Litecoin or Bitcoin. You can also select the currency. Let's choose INR here. All the information is now converted into Indian rupees. There are many more options like number formatting. You can hide or show the number formattings or the coin symbol. These are all the options which you can show or hide on this widget. Now under the style option, you can change the background color, the primary color, secondary color for the information. Let's now create another cryptocurrency widget. Search for cryptocurrency widget and drag and drop it over here. Instead of widget type card, select the label. Now you can see a label here. Change the coin and also the currency. Let's change it to euro. You can show or hide the number formatting and the 24 hours change. So by this way, you can create cryptocurrency chart using this widget on your website by just simple steps. You can also change the style for this also. Go to the style option and change the background color, the primary color for the text, and the secondary color. Here we have created one card and one label. Now let's create more card using this plugin. Click on the add option and drag and drop this to here. Search for cryptocurrency and drag and drop this widget here. Now you can see we have created two cards. Just as the first one, you can change this card too. Let's select the coin to US dollar and the currency to INR. So let's now add one label. Drag and drop the cryptocurrency widget over here. And under the widget type, select label. Change the coin to Litecoin and the currency US dollar. As you can see, different cards and labels are now visible on our website. Let's change this color. Go to style and change the background color to black and the primary color to white. You can change the color of any card and any label using the style options. Let's now add one more label. The widget type, select label, and in the style tab, go to colors and change the color. So by this plugin, you can create beautiful charts and labels for your WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video.